Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Lazada OC03 error, a common issue that can prevent you from logging in or checking out. But don't worry, it's super easy to fix. So let's get started. First, you want to open up your browser on your phone and search for Contact Lazada Support. Then you want to click on the first link that appears for your specific Lazada region. For example, we have Lazada Philippines, Malaysia, or Singapore. And in my case, I want to click this link. Now, once you're on the support page, you want to scroll down until you see the section that says Still Need Help. You'll find two options here. We have Call Us or Chat with Us. First, you want to go ahead and tap on Chat with Us. This will open Lazada's live chat system. There we go. Now, once you're in the chat, you want to type a message like OC03 error, please help me fix it, or please connect me to a representative. And that should connect you to a Lazada live representative who can look into your account and help resolve the error directly. But if you can't access your account at all, you can use the phone number listed on the first page of the support page to call them instead. And that's it. Once support verifies your account, they'll walk you through fixing the OC03 issue. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!